Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Install OnlyWay in 3 steps and finish setup in about 5 minutes. First, create an account using your email address and a secure password. Next, add the OnlyWay browser extension from the official store and enable permissions when prompted. Finally, open the target website you want to scrape and press the extension icon to begin configuration. This simple installation gets the scraper ready and makes the tool accessible in your browser toolbar for immediate use. Choose CSS or XPath selectors to capture the exact data fields you need. Use the Visual Selector tool to hover and click elements you want, like titles, prices, or images. Set pagination rules to collect multiple pages and limit extraction to 100 or 1,000 rows per session. Test the extraction with a preview run and check the results in the built-in table preview. Refine selectors if items misalign, then save the scraper configuration for repeated use and automation. Export results to CSV, Excel, or JSON with one click for immediate use. Choose local download or cloud storage and set file naming conventions for easy tracking. Schedule automated runs every 24 hours or choose a custom interval to keep data fresh. Configure a rate limit of 3 seconds between requests to reduce server load and avoid bans. Always respect robots, TXT rules and legal limits, and use polite scraping practices to maintain ethical web access and long-term reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.